Hello everyone and good evening. Welcome back here to the Bearded Hobby Homestead. We really appreciate everyone who's subscribed, who's new, and welcome. Today, another food thing. I'm being pointed out that I'm fat. I'll just keep my tummy tucked. We were not really challenged, but the idea sparked from Off Kilter Homestead once again that the keto diet might be fun. We are doing it for day 3 now, and it is quite fun. So now we will be doing chuffles. It's a cheese and egg mix into the waffle maker, and that becomes a chuffle, cheesy waffle chuffle thing. But we need protein, so we will be taking some chicken breasts and using the food processor to mince this up and mix that into the cheese and egg mix, and making, my wife calls it chuffles because it's chicken and cheese chuffles. Alright, so we'll be doing that, and seeing as this part is not very visible when my head is visible in camera, I'll be giving you over to the shorter version of our channel. I'm getting the most mean look, but I'm safe now. The knife is here and she's over there. See you after the video. Back in focus.
Basically, all that I'm going to do now is just chopping the chicken breast up into smaller pieces. In the processor, I'm going to grate some cheese. I actually have 2 types of cheese here, Gouda and mozzarella, for nice melty texture. And then we are going to mix everything and put it in the waffle machine. Alright guys, so that's 4 chicken breasts that I'm doing because I'm going to be making quite a few of these. Cor isn't even near his protein intake for the day, so he needs to eat quite a few of these tonight. And the 7-year-old is also very excited about this. It's something new that she's gonna like, so she's also probably going to eat more than one. That's the only reason I'm making so many. Waffle.
I've heard if you plug it in, it works.
Did I plug in the wrong thing now? And that was quite easy and quick.
Minced chicken breast.
Minced chicken breast. Be careful.
Avoid salmonella where possible.
When you take out the blades, you don't want fingers and blood and everything over the kitchen.
Yes, it's keto, not carnivore.
Yes, thank you. Take that thing away. Alright guys, chicken grounded up. I took a break to wash my hands, very important. We don't want the salmonella. So, we are going to be cracking 2 eggs, raw eggs into here, room temperature. And then going to be grating in the 2 types of cheese and adding some spices just like the salt and the pepper and things like that. We're going to have some nice dinner. Okay guys, so quantities. These are 4 chicken breasts ground up, 2 small eggs, and I have about half a cup of Gouda and half a cup of mozzarella in here. The cheese amount is your preference. You can put in more if you like it more cheesy, you can put in less if you're not a big fan of cheese, which means you're wrong. Thank you, my love. And salt and pepper.
With the keto diet, it's apparent that using the pink Himalayan rock salt things work best because of reasons. I don't know why, but that's what we were informed with.
Waffle maker is on, and we will show you when we have one done.
Alright, I think it's time. Let's see what it looks like. Well, it looks good. On camera it looks very white. We'll just bring it in. You can actually see the colors of the cheeses and the meats came out perfectly.
It's a chicken waffle.
Chicken waffle. That's looking pretty dang good. Chuffle. Alright, I think we need... The child is here now. So I think we need to get her into a taste test. Because she is the most critical of them all. Mom's in the way. That's the food, that's the child. Let's move out.
This is a chicken waffle.
Yummy chicken.
I can't see. Is that good? Okay, take your plate. Thank you. Stop on miss. There we go. The child is happy. The child is happy, everybody's happy.
Yes. Alright, so that is basically it. That is how you make chicken truffles. Awesome. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Hope you try it. If you try it, leave a comment down below and tell us what you think. And until then, we will see you next time
On the Bearded Hobby Homestead.